Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with USAA Federal Savings Bank access detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with USAA Federal Savings Bank, visit the official USAA website. On the home page, locate the Log On button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click the Log On button to access the secure login page. On the login page, you will see two fields for entering your credentials. In the first field, input your member number. In the second field, enter your password. Ensure that the information you entered is accurate to avoid login errors. If you forgot your member number or password, click on the appropriate link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your member number or password. If you are logging in from a personal device, consider checking the box for Remember Me for easier access in the future. Once your credentials are entered, click the Log On button to proceed. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your USAA account dashboard. In case of an unsuccessful login, you will receive an error message prompting you to re-enter your information. If you experience continued issues, consider contacting USAA customer service for assistance. Upon successful authentication, familiarize yourself with the layout of your account dashboard. Explore the various features and services available to manage your banking needs efficiently. This completes the authentication process for USAA Federal Savings Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.